Hi, welcome. So today we are going to be cooking and making fork biscuits. These are biscuits you can use with a fork, because that's what they're named. I have made fork biscuits before when I was in year 7, which was a long time ago. Yeah, I'm gonna sit down, mainly because I'm lazy, and I will leave not the instructions, because you're gonna learn with me today, okay? I'm going to leave what you need in the description below. I say that and I'm going to forget that, but actually I'm going to stand up. This is a professional cooking show. Come on, be professional, Harvey. So we need 50 grams of caster sugar. Scales. Hey boy. No, don't switch on, you stupid. So we need 50 grams of caster sugar. Here is caster sugar. That is 50 grams precisely. No more caster sugar for you, you can go. Then we need 100 grams of margarine, but I've been given butter. Not that there's any difference, I don't think, but we've only got that much butter. If you don't like butter, then don't make fork cakes. 100 grams of this we need. And so far we've got 12 in there. I don't really know what the difference between margarine and butter is. It all comes from a cow, I think. 99, 102. Who cares? We'll use you later. Put you in there for now. Right, now we need to wash my hand because it's going to ruin my nails. And you need 125 grams of, I've just switched it off. You need 125 grams of self-raising flour. I've got 129 in there, but who cares? So this is what we've got. We've got all the stuff in there, inside that. Switch that off, we don't need you. Okay, but we've also got, okay, other bits and pieces. So like I said, you need self-raising flour. We've got the cherries, which we're gonna put in. You can put them in, you can put anything you want in there. It doesn't have to be cherries. You can have chocolate chips, whatever you want. It's up to you, okay? So that's all. Yeah, that's all we need. Right, so there we go. I don't know what you do now. I'm guessing you mix it. I assume you mix it. I don't think that's right. I think you might need them. That is my assumption. You may be asking, why aren't we using a cookbook? And in fact, I'm asking that very same question. I could take the spoon out, couldn't I? There's the chopping board. There it is. Okay, chopping board. Don't have to put cherries in. I think I've already said this. You can put chocolates in, chocolate chips. You can put bananas in. Obviously not a whole banana, you'd have to chop that up. And you can put an elephant in if you're weird. You in there, that'll do. Now mix it up until they're all in and all mixed. And if you think you need more, I need to put the oven on. Let's put the oven on to 190 degrees C, or if you're doing this in Fahrenheit, Google it. Okay, you now need to get yourself a baking tray. Now we've got a plethora. Not that it matters to you, because you can't use our baking tray. If you do, you're weird. We need to grease it, so you need to get some kitchen roll. We'll use the remainder of this butter. I think I'm just smudging it in. Let's get some of the new stuff. I think I might have overdone it. You roll it, get it, squish it together like that, a bit like Play-Doh, roll it up into a ball. I'm going to show you this with the GoPro. Hello, GoPro land. Right, okay, so this is all your rolled up balls, okay, and what you do, and the reason they're called fork biscuits is because you get them with a fork and you press them down like that. Ta-da! They are your fork biscuits, obviously they need to be cooked now. You place these into an oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Obviously, if you are a child, make sure you get a grown-up to do this, because if you don't, you might burn yourself. And I will point and laugh at you, because I warned you. Okay, make sure grown-ups, especially handling knives, I should have mentioned that. Make sure you've got a grown-up to help you. And if you are grown up and you do burn yourself and do cut yourself with a knife, you've got yourself to blame, obviously, because you did it. Right, so let's put this in to the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. I'm going to go now and see you in 10 to 12 minutes. Bye-bye. Right, it has been 10 to 12 minutes. We are now done. The cookies and stuff. Cookies? We're not doing cookies, we're doing fork biscuits. The biscuits are now done. You need a wire rack. Let's get the wire rack. Wire rack. They look like biscuits. Terrible biscuit. Behave. Why did gravity have to be invented? Ta-da! They are now done. You need to now let them cool for an allotted amount of time, depending on how many you've done, how big you made them, giggity, and stuff like that. So we'll be back a bit later on when they have cooled down. So they have now cooled. I'm now going to try one. Mother has tried one. She's filming. There. Mother, what did you think to them?
Delicious.
Can you sense the sarcasm there? Here we go. She's told me that you might need a drink with it. They're very dry, but if they were not dry and they were liquid, there'd be a soup, which is not what we want. I see what you mean. They're quite nice. But I see what you mean by they're very dry. Yeah.
The only one. This is all your appetite for your dinner. You've not finished it yet.
Lovely.